So after jewelry, Margaret is going to say something about her handicraft, which we create with the animals. If you come for a safari, you can't take the big animals. So how about taking some animals from Margaret's shop? Here is she will tell you exactly how this is done. Yes, Margaret. How it is done?
This one is zebra made from banana leaves. We put something inside and then we roll with banana leaves.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is ebony wood.
Okay.
And
You call it ebony.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
ebony. Rhino made from ebony wood.
Ebony wood is what? Like it's a.
Ebony wood is a strong wood like this. Let me show you.
Okay. This is like a
This
clay
is
or
original ebony wood. Ebony wood inside is black, outside is white like this. You see?
Okay. Okay.
This is the original ebony wood.
Okay.
Yeah, it's strong wood in Tanzania. Oh, Africa. Strong wood.
Okay.
And also, this is
Giraffe.
mahogany.
Okay.
This is giraffe made from mahogany wood.
Yesterday I went and feed giraffe
Ah, good.
with my friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Margaret,
have a lot of
yeah.
animal made from ebony wood, mahogany wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one is Acha? These
This
are
is candlestick.
sticks. You were showing me this. What is this?
This one is. Hii inaitwaje kwa Kiingereza? Kiboti.
This is a boat. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you
made
have.
from also banana leaves.
Wow, you are very
Yeah.
creative. Very creative, you people. Yeah.
And this is
Can
something
I
from,
just hold it here so that they can see how it is done? See, even the waste is not its use. They are so created. Thank you, Margaret. Just 1 minute.
Also, I have the